Shanghai Techin's New Energy Technology Company Limited is a professional global power supply solution provider and manufacturer of engines and alternators, providing end-stop services from engine manufacturing to power solution. Headquartered in Shanghai, we operate standardized production hubs in Shaanxi, Jiangsu, and Anhui provinces. We produce diesel engines, alternators, diesel gensets in various styles, including open, silent, trailer, containerized models, etc. Our products are widely exported to Southeast and East Asia, including Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, Triggers, South Korea. We offer OEM/ODM services, customizing logos, colors, dimensions, and designs to meet specific requirements. From order to manufacturing, installation guidance to after-sales maintenance, and engine chronicization to turnkey power plants, we deliver end-to-end solutions. All products meet ISO 9001 and CE standards, with power output ranging from 6.5 kW to 3000 kW. Engineered for reliability, they serve critical industries such as power stations, aquaculture, real estate, mining, petroleum, petrochemical, data centers, and telecommunications. Through partnerships with Cummins, Perkins, Deutz, Mitsubishi, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Shaanxi, Weichai, Weikai, we blend advanced technology with localized service networks. Whether for prime or standby power systems, Techins provides tailored configurations and technical support to ensure uninterrupted operations. Contact us today to discover more power solution supplier. Chat now.